Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be doing a review of a company called Banggood. And I want you guys to stay clear of these people because they offer very expensive stuff. You can find everything that's on Banggood much cheaper on Amazon. Amazon's the leader of pretty much anything that you want to buy out there, and Banggood is absolutely the worst place that I would ever go to. Don't want you to go anywhere near Banggood. They're the worst company in the world to deal with. They're not very friendly, and your customer service will be absolutely the worst you'll ever find. So stay clear. It's a scam, and that's pretty much it. I fear that the majority of the reviews that are on this site is probably paid for. After you give me a 5-star review, I'll send you money and we'll pay for it. So majority of the reviews on this site are probably fake. They actually offered to send me a product to do a review on, but I declined it because the majority of the low-cost items that they have is garbage. And I asked them to send me something that was worth like $100 so to actually be worthwhile for you guys. So I wanted to have something a little bit more expensive, and they declined it. So that tells me that they're not really interested, and they just want to, they want to use me to do a review on a garbage item. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.